think, baby girl?
Pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, what'd you guys think?
It was awesome. It was fun.
Yeah? And
It was free.
free! It was really cool. We probably saw, I don't know, like 50 gators maybe? A bunch of them.
Bunch of different types of birds, storks. Some that looked like a flamingo, but I don't think it was. But it was well worth it just walking around. You have to wear a mask if you want to go inside the building because it is a federal building, but it was okay. Go in there. We went for the gift shop. Got a couple magnets.
All right, so we're here at Joni's Blue Crab Cafe, and we're gonna try some gator bites for the first time. Here we go. You go first?
I'm the pickiest.
All right, gator bites.
Guys, I ran out of silver song.
I did a small piece.
Is it good?
It didn't like taste like anything, to be honest. It doesn't really taste like anything. Yeah, not really. Might be ranch. Try it.
Kind of like chicken. Yeah?
Just ask her for some ranch.
It was good. I like it. Yeah, I think it's good. Today we're going to go on an airboat ride, but Axel's not allowed to go. Sorry, buddy. Ready to go inside the air conditioning? Huh? Ready? Got a nice big bed here. All right, go. Good boy. Here's your bed. Gonna get your water. There's your water, baby. Put it over here. You be a good boy. You be a good boy. Good boy. Gotta love these RV locks. Simply Safe Security.
How many?
4 of us?
Oh, here you go.
So we are at Copper Town Original Airboat Tours today. Pro tip, we found a coupon on Groupon for all 4 of us. It was $72 for the boat ride, and then it was free for the National Park Pass because we have the America Beautiful Pass.
Alligator, just like the ones that we have here on property, and hopefully just like the ones you will see out there on your tour.
What a cutie.
Yeah, just don't go anywhere near his head.
Okay. Oh, so cool. Why else would they put that in? So cool.
Oh my gosh, Mom. I know. Aren't you a sweetie? Oh.
You guys ready?
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
water flows down from Okeechobee Lake down into the bay. It's the slowest moving river on the planet. It moves 1 mile every 24 hours.
Cool.
It's a lot softer. I'm nervous because he's holding it too.
I got you.
Oh, it feels, it is really soft.
Hey, I've been pretty good. I've been working out. There you go. Awesome.
Look at that. Very cool. All right. Awesome.
There you go. Awesome.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
When you're living in a 44-foot fifth wheel, you don't want to pack it up and move it to the water fill-up station every time you need water. So, what's the solution? I'll show you. This guy right here. A water bag. And a fabricated hose. Now this particular water bag holds 50 gallons. There's different sizes. I'll put a link in the description when we got off Amazon. Normally, I put our water meter on there between the hose and the fill and the bag, so we know we're putting 50 gallons in it, but I forgot to grab it today. But I've done it enough times that I pretty much know about 50 gallons of what it looks like. It swells up pretty good, as you can see. It'll hold though. All right, we're back at the camper, and this is where the fabricated hose comes into play. So in order to hook it from the bag to the RV, you gotta have two male fittings. So a male fitting on that end, a male fitting on that end. This is just a quick adapter. So basically I just bought a hose, cut off the female end, installed a male end. You can pick them up at Walmart or Lowe's. The other thing you want to make sure is that you have enough room where you can back a vehicle up to your RV, unless you have a nice super long hose. All right, so you just hook one end up to your normal water fill or city water fill, and then the other end will go into there. All right, open the valve. You're going to turn it to sanitize. So sanitize, blue down, red up, green to the side, white to that side, and then the pump will start sucking it in. As you can tell. You hear the water getting sucked in. So 50 gallons going in. And didn't even have to move the RV. All right, guys, all done. In real time, that took about 35-40 minutes. So it's not the fastest process in the world, but it still beats moving your rig. Sometimes when you live in an RV, you occasionally come across a campground that you're staying at that does not have hookups, full hookups. We're staying at Midway Campground here in the Everglades and currently only have electric only. It is 50 amp, but no water, no sewer. We got the blue boy. Get rid of some of the gray water. I don't ever put black water in this. We've never stayed at a campground or boondock long enough to actually fill up our black tanks, so gray water only. You fill up until the red air pressure poppet valve pops up, and that way you know that it's full. Time to go to the dump station. Today we are going to Shark Valley with e-bikes. We gotta park along the road, it looks like, because it gets pretty busy. It's about almost 11 o'clock, so we're getting a little bit of a late start, but it's gonna be packed. But if you park along the road and you have bikes, then you can just unload them there and take them down the road down Shark Valley.
Yeah.
So
lots of water, sunscreen, and bug spray.
yeah.
It's kind of what they recommend if you're gonna go in for the day. I just started recording when that happened.
What are you doing?
Starting a hike.
A hike workout?
Yeah. Or an outdoor walk.
Yeah, there you go.
They love me.
Yeah, they do.
Bigger than the other snake we saw, right?
Oh, yeah, good.
Let's wait about the pump. We'll put the air in a little while.
Got a snake. Like boa.
Yeah, that snake's been dead a while.
Yeah.
Do you like snakes?
Absolutely not.
Do you like dead snakes?
I like dead snakes.
Oh, it's definitely dead.
Oh, my tire gets flat.
A little stinky.
Get ready on
Hey guys, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, we'll keep living that no sticks, no bricks life.